reality is that what this case is about is providing services that are needed for people to be out in our community. And when we don't provide those services, they stay excluded from our community. And they stay in a world that's not perhaps so pleasant.
When attorney Dan Summerfleck initially filed suit against the Department of Mental Health and the Department of Integrated Services for Individuals with Disabilities 11 years ago, he never imagined his clients would still be in the same situation today. The case started with 4 clients who were being held in the inpatient unit and mental health and weren't given an opportunity for community-based placement and getting the proper services. The case has been through 3 governors and has grown from the 4 plaintiffs to some 200 people to target a population of 1,700. Despite the court appointing a federal management team in March of 2010, Summerfleck says the performance of the team has been considerably lacking, and there hasn't been the progress that he has expected would come with the appointment of the FMT.
Where the question has to be asked, are we actually progressing? And if they're not conducting MDTTs, if these new ideas keep getting pushed back, then it raises concern.
Summerfleck says there have been talks of plans with deadlines, but most of those haven't been pulled through. Additionally, he's expressed concerns that the FMT hasn't produced a single document reflecting and providing evidence of what they've done for an estimated $60,000 a month.
It's a whole lot of money to be paying if we're not seeing actual progress. I mean, if we were to bring in, the caliber of people that we suggested when we were talking about receiver, I wouldn't be surprised that they would charge $200 an hour each.
And while the case continues to lag, Summerfleck contends his clients continue to be harmed. 1 passed away, 1 moved off island to get the proper treatment, and the other 2 are still being serviced by mental health.
From my perspective, whether we call it a receiver or whether we call it a management team really isn't as important as getting someone in there who has the background, experience to pick up this ball and to move it down the court.
A status conference for the case is scheduled for Wednesday. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Nick.